Discover how to earn extra cash and fast-track your financial goals with online surveys. These surveys provide an easy way to make money and are offered by top legitimate survey sites like Branded Surveys, MyPoints, HeyPiggy, Prime Opinion, Free Cash, Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, Inbox Dollars, CashGig, and Opinion Outpost. Each of these sites has different availability, age requirements, and payment methods, so it's essential to consider these factors when selecting the right one for you. To maximize your earnings, complete your profiles, take advantage of free offers, and prioritize surveys with the highest payout rates. Additionally, follow best practices such as creating a separate email address, taking breaks, and installing antivirus software to ensure a smooth survey-taking experience. Be cautious of warning signs that could indicate potentially illegitimate survey sites, including membership fees, lack of customer reviews, requests for private information, and difficult qualification processes. Remember, surveys for money are legitimate, and it typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete one. Some survey sites even offer cash instantly or provide signing bonus points as rewards. Companies value your opinions and pay individuals to take surveys to gather valuable market research and consumer feedback. Start making money with online surveys today.